Hi, there's an issue I'd like to talk about something that affects people with eating disorders. Stomach issues, digestive tract issues. A lot of us with eating disorders end up with digestive tract issues. They include gastroparesis, bowel blockages, trouble with diarrhea, trouble with going, trouble with gas, trouble with pain, trouble with digesting certain foods. We become quite sensitive to certain foods. It's very serious because it can lead to like gastroparesis, and we don't want to have diseases, but that's what happens when you have an eating disorder. It happens whether it's bulimia or anorexia, or anorexia subtype, binge purge subtype. It happens with any of the eating disorders. The digestive tract is very sensitive and it can be harmed very easily. And we end up with these intolerable side effects that last a lifetime. Now, I don't mind saying that I have some of these side effects. I have trouble digesting certain foods, and I have trouble with bowel blockages and diarrhea. And it's very painful. And it's very frustrating. Please try to get yourself better before you end up with these problems. And if you've already got them, talk to your doctor. Okay, that's the talk I wanted to have on bowel and ear and digestive tract issues. Now, remember to push that subscription button, and remember, I love y'all.